And bago kami mag-empake, sundot daw sa Micronesia Mall. So that's where we are. Yeah, that's where we're going. At ipapatikim ko kay Mel yung sarap daw ng Taco Bell dito. I'll have her try Taco Bell here kasi sobrang layo niya kaysa sa Pilipinas. Ross, iba pa naman yan. Pwede tayo dumaan dyan. Parang Green Hills. Pwede natin kung ano meron dito. Mamaya sa duty free store naman kami.
Wow, super laki dito itong Micronesia Mall. Ito yung nireko sa amin ng tour guide namin the other day. That's why we are here. There's Macy's,
actually,
Foot Locker. Actually, di pa kami nakakaikot eh. May Ross for Less pa doon. And exciting. Ay, ang cute oh. Pang kids. Wish we have a whole day of shopping. Sayang. Konti lang oras. But we'll make the most out of the time that we have for shopping today.
Isang mabilis na ikot. Buti na lang may nakakilala sa akin. Hungry? Good. Casey, open your mouth. You have candy. Casey? You have candy?
So there's Panda Express, KFC, Cha Times, Barrow, Subway.
Huwag lang makita nyo.
Ay, sayang naman. May ganyan pala dito.
Sasabihin. Meron dito pouch yun ah.
There's a park, a fantastic park. Ang laki dito ah. Whoa, look at that. It's their food court. There's Taco Bell there. Iba ka?
Iba Taco Bell dito. Basta pa. Yeah, while walking.
Wow.
So, nakatapak na si Mel sa Macy's. Lagot tayo. Ito love oh, 60% off.
Ay, parang dito na tayo.
Ano nakuha mo?
Ito. Perfect for the holiday. Naka 30%
Ano? Mga ano pa? Nako, yan na tayo.
How much?
Yan na, mami.
Wala na. Ito ang mag-double check.
Nako, yari. Nakakita na siya ng toys. Lagot. Oh, pabalik ka.
Wow!
Nabudol.
Okay, let's go. We gotta go say bye-bye.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa...
Ayan na naman ako.
Ayan na naman si Mel. Grabe, ang daming ganap dito, oh. Tignan mo, oh. Love.
Ano yan?
Nandito naman kami sa duty-free store. Kung saan, alam mo na. Black Friday sale tulad nito. Bam! So, very scary kasi nandito si Mel. At baka masunog ang credit card. Pero okay lang, deserve naman niya. Good mommy naman. Alright, so dito sa biyahe namin, we chose to use our looping because it's easily foldable and we love how easy fits inside. Happy ka, di ba? Happy? No, bagong gising ko siya. So, we might do a little bit of shopping before we return our car. Then head straight to the... Saan ulit kami? Airport. Kasi uwi na kami.
GPS signal lost.
And thank you for... what a wonderful time here. We need to come back kasi kulang ang 4 days for us. I-invite talaga kami ng mga tao na pumunta dito. Super ganda. We love Guam. Guam is now on our favorite list, di ba? Love, sabi ko Guam is now, Guam is on our favorite list now.
Yeah, and look, does it look nice?
Ay, nakayari tayo. Naku, tapos ako dito.
7:15. Okay, what time is it?
There you go.
It's coming one by one.
We are finally back in the car and we are on our way to return our rented car. And after that, meron daw sila provided na shuttle to the airport.
Yep.
Grabe, ang bilis ng trip namin pero super sulit. Sa totoo lang, bitin.
That's true.
Diba, love?
That's true. Hindi totoo yung ano.
Hindi, alam mo, yung mali talaga namin is naniwala kami na sinabi nila, maliit lang yung Guam. Pero, mga 4 days, okay na yun. Isang araw nga, may ikot mo eh. Kasi kami ni Nico, pagdating sa traveling, whenever we go to one place, kunyari, yung parang viewing deck, we really immerse ourselves in that area and appreciate it. So, we take a longer time than yung mga usual tourists. Talagang we take time to enjoy the view or ask about the history of that place. Ganun kasi kami ni Nico, kaya medyo slower, kami. Hindi kami super fast-paced tourist. Di ba, love?
Yes.
At ang dami pa namin hindi napuntahan sa totoo lang. Sobrang saya kasi yung tour guide namin, ang dami niyang history. Yes, my love. Excited na si Easy. Thank you so much, Juan.
Enjoy ka na.
Kain muna.
Kain.
See, it's still hot. Wow, yummy, yummy. Oh, wait. Still hot.
Bro. Hot. Blow. Blow. Yeah. Tamang laway. Iingat.
Iba yung dough dito, love.
Hindi ka pwede sa States, love. Tataba ka. Natatakam ka sa lahat ng pagkain.
Dapat pag nag-States tayo, jogging ako. Hindi, tataba talaga ako.
FYI, ang mga stores dito nagsasara ng alas 7.
Baka holiday, kaya ganun.
Oh, ready?
Sarap. Eh, parang pizza na rin to na maliit.
Nakakuha ko ng hotpot. Lunset. Mr. Fast Food.
Good choice.
Kunalo Domino's anytime.
I'm gonna miss this. Ito yung sobrang nagustuhan ko. This one is Aloha made strawberry guava. Sobrang sarap. Even si Easy.
Ninanakawan si Mel.
Alam niya eh kung ganito no? Sarap. Sobrang refreshing niya. We just landed and back in Manila.
Thank you, GBB.
What a trip.
What a trip.
Bitin. Hopefully, we'll go back next year.
Oh, we will.
Wow!
Gagandahan natin ang pag-invite sa mga tao na pumunta sa Guam.
Yeah.
Everyone should go there para maka-experience ang ganda ng island yan. So beautiful.
And we are inspired to help also yung every tourism ng every country. That's why we are doing Nasinos around the world.
So thank you guys for supporting and Guam Visitors Bureau for sponsoring this vlog. See you guys in the next video.